Hello everyone, we are Jinghe Technology. When you receive the machine, please start by disassembling the installation block. Do not turn on the power or start the machine until you have finished. The fixed block prevents the drive shaft from moving and colliding during transport. After opening the machine safety cover, here is a fixed block that needs to be disassembled. Remove the red fixture. Now I'll tell you the position of the fixing block. There are no installation screws for this one. There is also one on the right. He is here. This also needs to be disassembled. Due to limited space, we first dismantled this metal trough. First, we will dismantle this metal trough, then dismantle the fixing block underneath. This metal slot is also secured with 4 screws. After dismantling it, we dismantled the fixing block again. There are 2 fixed blocks under this platform, one on the left and one on the right. We need to remove the red fixed block and not leave it in the machine. There are also fixed blocks in other locations. There are also some small fixing blocks. This place has small fixing blocks. This position will be fixed and needs to be disassembled. There are fixed blocks on both the left and right sides. There is also a fixed block on the right side. There is also a fixed block here. And there's one. There are also fixed blocks on the left and right sides of the template frame. There are also fixed blocks here. There is also a fixed block on the other side. We need to check all the locations and remove the red fixing blocks. Here is a fixed block, and the machine will install all the fixed blocks before shipping. This template support frame is fixed and immovable when the power is turned on and the air is supplied. When the power is turned off and there is no air pressure, it becomes loose. When the machine is shipped, the frame will be moved to the left and right sides. Move here. Then use the fixed block. There is a red fixed square here. Then there is also a fixed block in this place. This red fixing block. There is no fixed block on it. Then there is a fixed block below. Below it is used to fix the industrial control box. There's a holding block. Then there will also be one here. He fixed this industrial control box. Before shipment, the machine will be equipped with screws to secure the movement of the frame. Do you see how many screw ports he has on it? The screw hole is here, mainly used to restrict the range of movement. It's just a screw. The screws are fixed here to restrict the movement of the frame. Do you know why we do this? There are 2 screw holes here. If the PCB and template are short, the machine may be damaged if the frame presses down on a protruding platform when it descends. This is very important, so please remember to prevent damage to the machine. As there are protrusions on this platform, please check for protruding platforms under the template frame when descending. When the template frame moves towards the center, check whether there is a protruding working platform underneath. This is why screws are needed here to prevent the template frame from moving onto the raised platform. Therefore, when manually moving the template frame, be sure to check whether there are any protruding platforms below. Look, this is a protruding platform. It's the same here. There are also 2 screw holes in this position. The template frame can only be lowered to the lowest position and cannot be lowered onto a raised platform. There are also screw holes here. Assuming that your template is 1,200 mm long, remove the screws in the 1,200 mm area. The purpose of installing these screws is to limit movement and prevent the template frame from moving above the raised platform. If the mold frame lands on the protruding platform, it will damage the machine. Can only land in lower areas. In order to prevent collision problems, screws are fastened on it. The main focus of this video is to remove the fixing blocks before powering on, and then to ensure that the template frame does not descend onto the protruding platform when it descends.